Good evening, students. I hope you all well at home by the God's grace. Today we are going to learn practical geometry in 5th chapter. Listen the video carefully without any distractions till the end. At the end of this class I have given you the assignment. Draw the geometrical diagrams in your geometry note and send the images to the group. At first we are going to see a diagram in exercise number 5.3. Draw a line segment of given length and construct a perpendicular bisector using scale and compass. By using the scale and pencil, draw a line segment. Mark a point on it and name it as O. Using a compass with a pencil, measure 4 cm. Draw arcs of 4 cm with O as center. And name the intersecting point as A and B. With the measurement of more than half of 8 cm, draw arcs as shown in the video. Now mark the intersecting point as C and D. By using a scale, connect those 2 points. CD is the required perpendicular bisector of 8 cm. This is the required diagram of perpendicular bisector of 8 cm. Next, in exercise number 5.4, construct the following angles and draw an angle bisector using scale and compass. Here we are going to draw the bisector of an angle 60 degree. By using a scale, draw a line segment of any measurement. And mark the point as O. With the compass and pencil, take the measurement more than half of the line segment. Then draw a semicircle like this. With the same measurement, we have to draw an arc like this. And mark the intersecting point. By using a scale, join the intersecting point with the point O. This is the angle of 60 degree. Now we are going to draw the bisector of 60 degree. With the same compass, take the measurement of more than half of the arc of 60 degree. And then draw arcs like this as shown in the video. Now mark the intersecting point and join the point with the point O. This line is the required angle bisector of angle 60 degree. This angle bisect the angle of 60 degree with the equal measurement of 30 degree. This diagram is the required diagram of angle bisector of angle 60 degree. Next, in exercise number 5.5, we are going to construct the following angle using scale and compass only. Here we are going to construct 90 degree. For constructing 90 degree, first we have to draw a line segment of any measurement and mark a point A on it. With the measurement of more than half of the line segment as radius and the point A as center, draw a semicircle like this. With the same measurement, we have to draw two arcs like this as shown in the video. Mark the intersecting point as A, B and C. With the measurement of more than half of the arc BC, we have to draw two arcs like this as shown in the video. Mark the intersecting point and connect the intersecting point with the point A. This line segment is the required line segment to make the angle 90 degree. This is the required diagram of constructing angle 90 degree. Students, I ask you to complete the assignment in your geometry note and send the images in your class group without fail. With this end, we have come to conclude this session. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.